Ganesh Chaturthi celebration at the Apple School with great devotion and enthusiasm. The entire school staff came together to participate in various rituals and festivities during this auspicious occasion. The celebration began with a ceremonial puja that was conducted with traditional rituals, including the lighting of the lamp. All contributed to making this celebration a memorable and spiritually enriching event. Staff whose dedication, participation, and commitment made this celebration fostered and grand success. The day ended with great zeal with faith, devotion, happiness, and everlasting memories. Thank you, the Apple team.